Choosing the right bush for your submersible pump. It's more important than you think. Let's break down the difference between carbon bush and gunmetal bush right from the heart of Mecwin Technologies. First, reduce friction, observe vibration, and prevent metal to metal wear. In submersible pumps, they are critical to performance, longevity, and reliability. Carbon bushes made from graphite composites are self-lubricating, lightweight, and perfect for moderate load pumps. They resist chemical corrosion and operate quietly, even under dry run conditions. Gunmetal bushes are tough, made from leaded thin bronze alloys, built for high load industrial grade pumps. They resist corrosion in harsh, wet, or salinal environment. Standard followed IS 318-1981 grades LTB3, LTB4, and LTB5. Let's compare. Carbon bush quiet, self-lubricating, durable under pressure, corrosion resistance, and longer maintenance interval. Gunmetal bushes are not self-lubricating, noisy operation, corrosion risk, shorter maintenance cycle, and heavier than carbon bush. So, what do you choose? For domestic pumps or quiet environment, go with carbon bushes. For heavy duty, high load, or saline water, gunmetal bushes wins. At Mecwin Technologies, we design pumps that match the right material to your application. So, you get reliability, efficiency, and peace of mind. Want to know what suits your setup? Contact us today.